How to get the most natural results from your hair transplant. Hi, I am Doctor Arvind Poswal from Dr. A's Clinic, Delhi, India. And today I will be helping you understand how to get the most out of your hair transplant. I'm not going to say that as a doctor I will tell you how many grafts and all those things. First step, what is hair transplant? Hair transplant is a different thing when doctors have to define it and a different thing when you as a patient has to define it. For a doctor it is taking out grafts from this place and putting it in this place. Not for you. For every person getting hair transplant done, the correct definition of hair transplant is that hair transplant is a way in which you can or you can at least try to get your desired look or your desired hairline, which looks natural also, which looks normal also. So this is what we have to focus on. For achieving this, there are a few steps. First step is look, document, take pictures. So take good pictures of your scalp. Understand how many grafts you have lost, or ask the doctor, how many grafts have I lost? That should be your starting question. If you have lost, let's say till here, that means you have lost at least 25% of your head. 25% of your grafts on the head. So 25% of the grafts on the head would be around 10,000 grafts. The full head of hair, the full head from hair to hair, before you have lost even a single graft, consists on an average 40,000 grafts. So similarly, if you have lost half your head is bald, let's say from hair to hair, that means you have lost 20,000 grafts. So first step is understanding that. Second step is looking at your grafts. You have this donor here, but I can't empty all of it. But you have a very valuable extra donor, this beard. Beard, if you are willing, I can remove even all of it. And this can give me even 9,000 grafts. In an average person, it can give me 4,000 at least if you have a medium beard growth. If you have an extensive beard growth, of course, that I can get 9,000, 10,000 grafts. And now we combine it with your head donor hair, with your head grafts, and we can fill up a large part of your head at a good density, and that is how you can get a pleasing hair transplant. Now the second step would be areas, specific areas. One is temple points, the other is hairline, the third is crown. So in the hairline, remember these need fine hair. So we do not use beard hair in this area, we don't use beard hair in the temples also. Also the temple hair is supposed to be very fine and laid down. You can even use nape hair for this if you don't have any family history of losing hair from the lower part of the head donor. They can also be used in this for a perfect match. But when you are using beard hair, that will be used up in this area. Mix it with scalp hair and use it so that you get a good amount of coverage, a good puff with the end result, and you are really happy. So tell me, if you are really bald, half bald, would you settle for just 4,000 grafts or 5,000 grafts only because your doctor can't do it? Or would you ask him that if other doctors, there are doctors in the world, there are at least 10 to 20 doctors in the world who can do 10,000 to 15,000 grafts also. We can do in some cases we can do even 18 to 20,000 grafts. That is not a problem. So why will you settle for less? Think about it. And if you have any doubt, send me pictures of your beard grafts. Send me picture of this area. Send me picture of this area. Send me picture of this. I'll tell you how many grafts you have lost and how many grafts can be taken out from your donor areas. And then plan your hair transplant. Share this video with your friends. Share this video with your doctors also if you want. I want more and more doctors to be able to take out more and more grafts, to be confident in using them. And do remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I really like to know how many people are listening to this. Thank you.